All right, we have another problem. This is part of analytic geometry and calculus. So, find the slope-intercept equation of the tangent line to the function f of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 7x squared. Graph at the point corresponding to x is equal to 3. So, we were asked to solve the slope-intercept equation. All right, now Can we can you recall the formula for the slope intercept, the point slope form? So what are those? So we have a point slope form of for the slope. For the point slope, you have y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. And for the slope intercept, you have y is equal to mx plus b. And for the slope, rise over run, so m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, now you have a point slope. These are the formulas for the slope. Now, can you solve this equation? Yes, so we will get the f of x, value of f of x equal to x cubed minus 7x squared, where so where where x is equal to 3. Alright, then f of x, substitute mo lang yung x, yung 3. So 4 times 3 minus 7 times 3 squared equal sa 4 times 27 minus 7 times 9. So that would be equal to 108. 4 times 27 minus 63 equal to 45. Now, we have already the x and y value. So, yung x natin is equal to 3 and then yung y natin is equal to 45. So, 3, and 45. Now, we were asked for the slope-intercept equation. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. And did you know that it is a derivative of this first graph? So we will rewrite it again as function of x equal to 4x cubed minus 7x squared. So f prime of x equal to 12x minus 14x 12x squared minus 14x. So substitute natin yung value ng 3 dito. So f prime of 3 is equal to 12 times 3 squared minus 14 times 3. So that would be equal to 12 times 9 minus 42. 42. So that would be 66. So 12 times 9 is 108. And then 108 minus 42, that would be 66. Now we will use the formula of y equal to mx plus b. So for you to get the value of letter b, because this one is your slope already. So y is equal to, what is your m? 66. Your x is 3. And then plus b, where y equal to 45 equal to 66 times 3 is 198 plus b. Now you can get the value of b. B therefore is equal to transpose this one to the other side. So 45 minus 198. Therefore b is equal to negative 153. And so you can now write down the equation, which is y equal to 66. This is your m, 66x minus 153. This is now your equation, slope-intercept equation. So in our choices, we have letter D. All right. Okay, we have another problem here. So this is the same as the last problem. However, we will use chain rule on this problem. Okay. So did you notice this equation? Can we write it like this? Y is equal to square root of x squared plus 16. Since 1 yung denominator niya, we can write it like that. Now, recalling the formula for slope-intercept equation, that is y is equal to mx plus b, and the other one is point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to mx minus x sub 1, and your slope is rise over run, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x y minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. So, dito ko na lang isulat yung slope. Y is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, this is your slope, this is your point point slope, and this is your slope intercept. Okay, now y prime, solving this, we can write it down as 1/2 times x squared plus 16. So, ito magiging negative 1/2 na. Kasi, you raise it to 1/2 minus 1. So, naging negative 1/2 times, using chain rule, using chain rule. Chain rule in derivatives. So, that would be d over dx of this problem inside. So, x squared, or expression inside, x squared plus 16. So, that would be equal to 1/2 x squared plus 16 raised to the negative 1/2. Then, derivative nito is 2x. This will become 0 kasi derivative of a constant number is 0. So, can we now cancel this? Yes. Moving forward, so that would be x squared plus 16 raised to the negative 1/2 times x. Now, can we put this one below as a denominator? Yes. So that would be equal to x all over the square root of x squared plus 16. So y prime, therefore, y prime at 0.35. So, 35. So, substitute lang natin yung values ng x. So, y prime, therefore, is equal to 3 all over is square root of 3 square plus 16. Tama. So, that would be y prime is equal to 3 over 5. Now, this is your slope of the tangent line. Slope of tangent line. How to get the slope of a normal line? Remember, wait, re, uh, recall that M is your tangent line where -1 over M is the normal line. Now, what will happen to this? This is your M. So we are asking to solve this normal line. So our normal line would be the inverse of it. So that would be -5 over 3. Inverse negative of the tangent line. All right. So this is our normal line. Now, our point slope equation would be using this. This is our point slope. So point slope equation is y -5 is equal to, for the normal line, -5 over 3 times x minus 3. So solving for the y, you will get the y-intercept. So paano natin isosolve to? Y is equal to -5 over 3 times siya sa x minus 3. Ito, tinranspose mo, magiging plus 5. So, simplifying, you will get the value of y is equal to -5 over 3 x plus 10. So this is your point slope intercept equation, which answer is on letter D. Okay?